Okay, so I've got this lightweight hoodie. I really don't like the thing. I like mine heavier weight, but this will be nice for just kind of the days I just need a little bit of something. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to try a paw print. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Or how I'm going to do it. But let's see, I may ice dye it, so I need to turn it inside out. Here's my paw print. It's going to be half of a paw print because I'll do it in half like this. So it'll go one on each side. Put Sinew around it. We'll see what happens. I've never done this before.
It's the noise of everything. I kind of feel like my voice some days is lost.
There we go. All right. So there is my paw print and my toes. I think I'm going to, I wonder if I can fan fold the rest of this. All right, there it is. I haven't decided. Oh, there you go. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. I know I'm going to put liquid dye on these on the paw print itself. I may try a slight incline ice dye on the rest of it, and I haven't decided on color. So your guess is as good as mine. So I'm gonna do an ice dye. I have to do my little paw print area first. I did black, Dharma Better Black, and I did put a little bit of thickener in it because I don't really want it to bleed very much. So I'm going to get this done first. Remember the last time I tried the the gar gum, which is a thickener, was a disaster. So I'm prepared to stop this and make new black if I need to. Go. I'll keep that up as much as I can. I have a little piece of cardboard here that I can put like right behind that one to help keep it up, because I want those to stay up. Okay, now I'm going to put, as you can see, I have a zigzag pattern here. I really like doing that the last time. I have no idea what it's going to turn out on something like this, but we're going to give it a try. So I've got Razzle Dazzle, Orchid, and Teal Blue. There it is. All right, so Orchid's going to be first. All right. Let's see what happens. Let me put some ice on it. Sprinkle this with soda ash. Just help make sure that the important to have that soda ash in the shirt. It helps with the absorption of the dye.
The biggest struggle is spending the rest of your life in a wheelchair. DAD showed me it was okay to be a disabled veteran.
There we go. All right. I may have to do something on the other side. I'll wait and see though. I'm hoping that this will go through okay. All right. Time will tell. Wash out. Wash out time. This is the lightweight hoodie that I did with a paw print on the back. I've never tried to do the paw print thing. It looked rough, but I managed. I don't know if you can see it or not. See it right there? Let me go wash this and see what the final product looks like. Okay, here is my lightweight hoodie that I just did. Here's my Vanna. So I still have a hanger on it, sorry about that. Here's the hood. It's the first time I've done a hoodie. This is a very lightweight. First time I've done a hoodie, first time I've done long sleeves. I did ice dye this. Okay, so here's the back. It's a paw print. I think it turned out really nice. I'm really thrilled about this. I actually have ordered me a heavier duty hoodie that I'm gonna do another shirt with the paw print on the back of it like this. I'm thinking about 2 paw prints, but I kind of like this one. I'm gonna put a little bit more color in between the toes. But besides that, I really like the way it turned out. So I did the paw prints individually. I did them with Sinue. I did the fold and then did Sinue around them, and that's why you see this white right here, because the Sinue doesn't allow the dye to go through. And then I did a fan fold on the rest of it. All right. So what do you think? My Vanna. Okay, what do you think? I want to know.